How do birds sit on power lines without getting zapped? The secret lies in electrical potential. When a bird perches on a single wire, it is at the same electrical potential as the wire. Consequently, there is no voltage difference across its body, and thus no current flows through it, keeping the bird safe. This is similar to walking on a tightrope. Without a second point of contact with a different electrical potential, there's no way for current to leap into its body. In contrast, when a bird touches two wires or a wire and a grounded structure, it creates a circuit, and current flows, which can be dangerous. Therefore, the careful construction of power lines ensures the safety of our feathered friends, allowing them to perch comfortably on high voltage lines.